Flip over the confusion. Understanding, flip over. Hello, dear viewers. Today we're going to tackle a fascinating English phrase that often flips over the minds of English learners. Flip over. Understanding phrases like this is crucial because they add flair to your English and help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and flip over every stone until you're absolutely comfortable with this phrase. Flip over can be a little tricky because it is a phrasal verb and can also be a noun. As a verb, it means to turn something over so the other side is facing up. Imagine flipping over a mattress or a piece of paper. It's the same concept. For example, he flipped over the card to reveal the magician's trick. Now, as a noun, a flip over is an object designed to be flipped over to function, like a flip-over calendar or a flip-over waffle iron. It refers to something that has two sides or positions, each serving a purpose. Let's put flip over into action. When you're using it as a verb, you might say, "Please flip over the page to continue the test." This is a simple instruction that we encounter in everyday situations. As a noun, you could use it in a sentence like, "The chef used a flip-over pan to make perfect pancakes." It's that easy. Notice how in both cases, the idea of two sides or reversing something is central to the concept of flip over. One common mistake is confusing flip over with just flip. Flip can be used in a broader sense, like doing a flip in the air, which is more about rotating rather than turning to reveal another side. Another error might be using flip over in a figurative sense where it doesn't apply. Remember, flip over involves a physical turnover. There are some phrases similar to flip over that you might encounter. Phrases like turn over, flip through, and flip out have different meanings. Turn over can mean to give something to someone or to consider a new idea. Flip through means to quickly look at the pages of a book or magazine. And flip out means to react very strongly with emotion, often anger or excitement. And there you have it. You're now more familiar with the phrase, flip over, and how to use it like a pro. I hope this video flips over any confusion you had and adds a new expression to your English vocabulary. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be flipping over challenges with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to flip over to our next video for more English language tips.